Hi guys, this is Mitesh and welcome back to channel Tech Arc. Today I have a smartwatch with me which is a lifestyle product. This is the Honor Smartwatch Magic Watch 2. So talking about this smartwatch is a premium plus it's a sports oriented smartwatch. So talking about the physical overview of this, here we get 1.39 inch AMOLED display which you can see over here. And guys, talking about the other features about this smartwatch, here we get a heart rate sensor which does continuous heart rate monitoring, and guys, the readings are very accurate of the smartwatch. So talking about its body, as you know that this is a premium smartwatch, so here on the dial we get a stainless steel body and on the straps we get a rubber like straps. So guys, let me tell you that the comfort is like really good of the smartwatch and you can easily wear it in your hand. So guys, we get two variants of this smartwatch. First is the 42mm variant, and the variant that I am holding here is 46mm variant. The speciality of this variant is that you can make and receive calls using this smartwatch. So guys, now talking about the water resistance, here we get water resistance up to 50 meter, so you can feel free to take it out during the light drizzle. So now guys, let me show you the closer look of the smartwatch. So talking about the display, here we get 800 nits of display which is bright enough in outdoor environment. And talking about the user interface, and the user interface is like really good and you won't notice any lag in this smartwatch. So now let me take you through the watch. So when you swipe on top, you get certain settings, and when you swipe down, you get notifications from certain apps like WhatsApp, Instagram or any of the other messaging apps. So when you swipe left, you get a summary of your workout, and when you swipe right, you get a continuous heart rate monitor over here along with stress monitoring, information about the weather, and you can control the music from the smartwatch. So now let's move to the menu of the smartwatch. So here, as you can see, we get workout records, status, heart rate, SpO2 and different kind of things over here. And guys, on the second button, it's a customizable button, and I have put all the workouts over here which I'll be showing you on the screen so you can have a look. So here you get lot of workouts over here, and here you get running courses like HIIT run, tempo run and different level of running courses. So talking about the watch faces, here you get lot of watch faces which are already installed on the smartwatch, plus you can download some more faces from the smartwatch app. So now about notifications, I feel they are very snappy. The thing that I do not like over here is that you can't reply to any of the messages over here. I feel we should have got the feature to reply to the messages that we get on the notification panel. Guys, here we also get a built-in GPS, features like sleep tracking, stress monitoring, and guys, I also did some calls using this smartwatch and the call quality was really nice. So now Huawei has its health app wherein you can check your data in detail, and there are different kind of modes like exercise records, health rate monitor, sleep, weight, stress. So you can connect your smartwatch to the smartwatch app, that is Huawei Health, which is available on the Play Store. And guys, here on the app you get different kind of modes like exercise records, heart rate monitor, sleep, weight, stress monitoring and even oxygen level monitoring. And here you get different modes like exercise mode, information regarding your device and user profile of yours. So talking about the box content, here we get a charger, a charging cable and some papers like manual and warranty card. And the price has been displayed on the screen so you can have a look. So now guys, talking about this smartwatch processor, here we get Kirin A1 processor which is like a really good processor, and I did not notice any lag as such while using this smartwatch. Here you also get a built-in GPS which will be helpful for your outdoor activities. So now talking about the operating system of this smartwatch, here we don't get a Wear OS, you can't download any apps from Google Play Store. So coming to the conclusion of this smartwatch, I will say that this smartwatch is very good looking smartwatch along with features that you won't get in most of the smartwatch in its competition. So if you have a budget of 10 to 15k, then I will definitely recommend you this smartwatch. So guys, that's it. This was a review, unboxing and my first impression of this Honor smartwatch. And guys, I hope to see you in my future videos. Until then, take care.